But yeah, someone did decide to go out, didn't they? Typical. Anyway, wanted to have a look, see what's going on. So just checking out everything's fine at the allotment. So let's go and have a look. So it's February, good time. January's out the way, gonna get some better weather. Let's see. Anyway, at least today's a bit better. So I've just come up the Surrey plot just for a couple of hours, just mainly give it a tidy, cut the grass, and just basically make my February tour. So let's start. So this is my pond area with my fence, and as you can see I've got the grass. The grass is in the pond, but a bit weedy in here. I've not touched this bit for a while, but there is some daffodils coming out, so that'd be nice. Should have put some more in really. I think this one here is just coming out now, it's just taking head, one here. And also down the side here I had some hyacinths. I think there's a couple here. There's one. There's a few along here. There's another one there. So that'd be nice. So with all this rain, my water butt's leaning to, and it's made my compost building lean to. But I don't like this setup. Just can't get in there, it's not right. I'm not going to do that. But anyway, on top I've got a few of the strawberries, a few runners, and I've got a few onions in this one. This is red onion, and this is some of the strawberry runners I've taken out. Just put them in some pots. So I've just cut the grass. Always looks good when it cuts the grass. And I've had a bit of a tidy. This is my hand mower. Excellent mower. It was £20 in home base. Absolutely excellent. I've just tidied this wooden crate here. It was right in the middle here, and I wasn't able to cut the grass. But this is only my work allotment, so I just come in between work. So my grass area is to get the deck chair out. So I still don't know what this is, and I think I'm going to take this out. Although it's coming into bud now. Not sure. It didn't really do nothing yesterday, so I don't know, it just looks messy. So I've still got some remains of the manure I did the other day, and this is the white grape. I don't use white grapes, but last year we had quite a good crop of this, and all the neighbours took it. So I will keep it because they benefited. But I don't know what this one is. Not sure. Didn't really do nothing. But anyway, come around here. This is the raspberries. But, these are the golden ones, but they never came to nothing last year. I'm not even sure that they will this year. But I've covered the ground in manure, and if they don't, then they'll be out. So last weekend I was here all weekend, in and out of work, and I got quite a bit cleared. But here's the rhubarb, popping its head through, and the second one all this area here is just a bit of a rough wildlife area. So going back, we've got the strawberries. I didn't tidy those up the other day as I promised. And then the raspberries, these are the ones I brought up from Dorset, but they never really did much. This second one is actually leafing. I just put a bit of manure around them. And in the middle here is my path that I dug up, that I'm really pleased about. And then the next line over, I wanted to do the lines, as I said before. Lines. So this is onions. The next patch here is just a manured area. Not quite sure what I'm going to put in here yet. But on the end, I've still got my potatoes, so they really need to come out. And then lastly is the few broad beans. I thought these had got eaten, but they've actually come through. And I got a random cabbage plant that was over here. I've just stuck it on the edge. So I'm trying to do the rows up. And this path is another path I want to take out. Because this is my section 2. Last year I never done nothing with it. And now my neighbours have moved in and I need to get it used. So this last year was supposed to be my pumpkins. The pumpkins never worked. So I might try and do some giant cabbages and some giant collies. Not sure whether that will work, but if I've got the space, I might as well use this. So this is the plan. So at the moment, that is the entire tour of my Surrey plot. So we'll go back to Dorset and I'll show you the rest. How come you go for a walk and you still can't keep away from allotments? But yes, someone did decide to go out, didn't they? Typical. Anyway, wanted to have a look, see what's going on. So just checking out everything's fine at the allotment. So let's go and have a look. This polytunnel damaged in Storm Brendan. It's completely damaged. A few things blown around. But looking down at my plot, I can see this has been covered. But other than that, I can see my polytunnel has come undone. My scaffolding poles come over. But apart from that, doesn't look too bad. We've still got some winds, but this is rather annoying. Oh well, they don't last. It's probably going to get worse now. Wind can get straight up that. Oh well, maybe might have to put some scaffolding netting around here to sort out my pots. So the pots have been blown around a bit. Other than that, it's not too bad at all. So I've just been to the local nursery and I bought some clover. I'm going to give this a go today. I think we've done alright out of the storms. And my trellis has fallen down there. It's not a great deal. My further polytunnel looks so it's even collapsed even more. But anyway, thank you for watching, and just leaving you with the selection of potatoes that are at our garden centre. So quite a selection, so I have to choose which is what I'm going to choose. So thank you very much. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, ring the bell and get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Cheers.